Today, we will start test TPM test for cutting oil. Yeah, and then this actually TPM tester. Here we will remove this one, here like this, and here we make this button on. Now on. Now there, uh, if you can see the indicator showing that we should immerse this to the like this. Then we mark with this the minimum and maximum point here. We will stay here like to make the temperature normal, and then we will wait for good reading for this light blinking. Now as you see the showing the reading 12%, 12.5%, and this green light is blinking. The green meaning, okay, then we remove class. It means if the light blinks green, it means the quality is good. If the light blinks yellow, then the quality is not good but not bad. Then if this light blinks red, it means the quality is not good, not acceptable. Okay, thank you.
If TPM is from 0 to 18, then it is acceptable and good quality. If it is between 19 to 24, then it is not good, not bad, but acceptable. But if it is over 24, then it should be rejected. Thank you.